Hello, welcome to Stephanie's Southern Kitchen. Dave's been working in corn all week and Allie's come home from college. So I thought we would make some Mexican cornbread. And the way I make it is with the Jiffy Cornbread mix. It's an easy recipe, but that's what I always make when I take it anywhere, and everybody always comments on my Mexican cornbread. So it takes 2 boxes of the Jiffy Cornbread mix. Two eggs. About a half a cup of milk. I'll put in maybe about a third to start with. And then if we need more, then we can add more. Get that stirred up a little bit. We've been freezing and canning corn for the last 2 weeks. I think we're about done. So we're going to take cream style corn. Okay, I creamed some of it that we had made, but if you're buying it at the store, it's 1 can of the cream style corn. One can of the regular corn, but make sure to drain it. Get that stirred up a little bit. Okay. 1 small package of the Colby Jack or any kind of cheese that you like. We like the Colby Jack cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, any of that stuff works. Like I said, this is a quick, easy recipe when you're in a hurry and you want to fix something to take somewhere or just for Sunday dinners, whatever. And then about 2 tablespoons of jalapeno peppers, and I like to pour just a little bit of the juice out of the jar in there. It helps give it a little more of the hot flavor. And that's about all there is to it. You take your pan, you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Take your pan, butter it. That gives it just a little more flavor. Then pour it in your baking dish. At 400 degrees. I've been letting it preheat while I mixed everything together. Spread it out. You can at this time add a little more cheese to the top if you want to. We usually just put it all in and it turns out perfect. Okay. Now, put it in the oven, 400 degrees, and we're going to check it in about 20 minutes. But being a double batch, it will have to go a little bit longer than that. Alexa, set timer 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, the timer has went off for our Mexican cornbread, so we'll get it out of the oven now. I did have to cook it an additional 10 minutes because it is a double batch. I didn't figure that it would probably be ready in 20. But this is your Mexican cornbread. Like I said, it takes 5-10 minutes to put it together and 20 to 30 minutes to cook, and you're ready for supper. So if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next week. Thanks.